Let's go back to the Excel. Knowing that the Excel file has been successfully linked up, we are not saving in ArcGIS, we can proceed to the next stage. Now the question is, at each polling district level, how can I find the main ethnic group for that district? We have all the percentage figures, and we are not going down the manual way and spending hours finding the main ethnic group for every polling district. And today I would like to show you the use of Excel formulas and filters in order to achieve the cleansed up Excel data ready for visualization. So let's look at the first row for this polling district, Parit Baharu Baru. How did I come with this? So we are going to use this Excel formula. Let's empty this. And I would like to point to you this particular website, which is shown below. On using this particular formula, we are going to use this index formula. So we write index. We are going to choose the array including the header because we want to collect the header value of the majority ethnic group of this district. And we are going to lock it. Oops, didn't like it. So what we're going to do is it's from here to here, comma. Before we do that, we are going to lock it here with the $sign because we are going to do the dragging down. Locking the header is essential to ensure the right figures coming out. Choose row number 0. Then we are going to do a match. And we're going to choose the maximum value of the percentages here. For this instance, I wouldn't be choosing to lock it. Compare it against this. And we want an exact match. Close all of this. So as you can see, something has not went right. So let's choose this. So in this process, when you write the formula, there are chances you will make mistakes. So that's the first thing. So we have found that Malays are the biggest ethnic group for this particular polling district. So press enter. And what you can do, you just drag it and bring it down for all of the other ones. It is absolutely essential that you should do a random check and ensure that this is correct. For example, for this polling district, are we really sure Indians constitute the majority ethnic group? Let's look at this figure. It's correct, 64.68. Are we sure for this one is Malays majority? And especially this becomes true importance when some polling districts will have an evenly divided ethnic groups. In order to have a successful categorization for the multivariable map that we are designing like this, we need to pull out the Excel figures so that it can be visualized on this map. So we will be using the similar formula, but with a difference. We are not going to call the header. We are just going to use the values from J2 to P2, the percentage figures. As you can see, this is the formula. You can take note of it. Similarly, drag it down. Now that you are already found out which are the main ethnic groups, and secondly their respective percentage, we need to add a third column called category. We are going to classify this map using multivariables, and instead of using unique percentages and unique ethnic groups, I have defined, this is up to you, on classifying the various ethnicities with different percentage groupings. For example, we are going to use filters, and this is where you need to learn to use filters. Click filter and you should just drag the highlighted section, all of this, to have a filter, and just click filter. In this case I've already done it. So for example, we will choose Malay, and let's look at the percentage groupings. As you can see, the smallest percentage here is 34%, and the maximum was uniquely 100%. Using number filters, you write, for example, the minimum percentage is 30%. So filter me all the rows that have the Malay percentage ranging from 30% and above to 50%. Let's say we choose less than. So these are all the figures, and here I'll just key in a text value writing Malay brackets 30% to 50% and just do a drag down. Let's clear the filter, and I have did this similarly for all the other ethnic groups, for the Chinese, the Indians, the Malays, and also the others. We have reached finally the stage that is required to ensure the Excel data is cleaned up and ready for GIS visualization. In the second part of the video, we will bring this particular information to the GIS and start visualizing. Stay tuned.